Welcome to Financial Code, where we decode the secrets of money, mindset, and faith for everyday success. My name is Vincent, and after decades as a corporate finance specialist and pastor, I discovered something shocking. No matter where people live, New York, Lagos, or London, they keep repeating the same financial mistakes that keep them broke. But not anymore. Today I'll show you the 3 hidden codes that trap most people in poverty and how you can break free. Mistake number 1. Living above your means. People upgrade their lifestyle faster than their income. Here's a story. A young banker got his very first promotion. Overnight, he switched from taking public buses to leasing a brand new SUV and moving into a more expensive apartment, all because of a modest raise. Within months, his salary was gone before the month ended, and he was borrowing just to survive. His income had increased, but his debt grew even faster. The code. Wealth flows to those who master self-control. Mistake number 2. No financial plan. Most people work hard but have no budget, no retirement vision, and no investment map. They simply drift. The code. If you fail to plan, you are planning to remain broke. Mistake number 3. Debt addiction, credit cards, payday loans, and borrowing for consumption. These are traps that keep you stuck in a vicious cycle. Here's the reality. The average American carries about $6,000 in credit card debt. In Africa, informal loan sharks keep people enslaved with impossible interest rates. The code. Debt makes you a slave. Proverbs 22:7. But here's the core truth. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about what you keep, grow, and multiply. So if you're tired of financial struggle, hit subscribe. Because on Financial Code, I'll bring you practical financial insights, timeless Bible wisdom, and motivational life lessons to help you break free. This isn't theory. This is the code to living free. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next episode coming soon.